Pourquoi non m'a fait n'ariere? E che ni pote argument?
This is a Do Unboxing Official. Welcome to another episode. What we got right here is JRL 2020C. This JRL got 6.5 watts, 3 hours charging time, and 4 hours operating time. And it's a rotary motor. Got 2 speed. The first speed 6,000 and the second speed 7,200 RPM. And it got a lot of guards, Let's open it up, man. Oh, before I forgot, this video is sponsored by this packaging is totally different from what I've been unboxing. Oof. Okay, this looks like this in a sloping way. Looks good. Looks good. Oh. First, we got a manual, charging cable. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 guards. We got the screwdriver, oil, little brush, and a blade setter. Now I see where Pop Barbers got their idea. I guess they got it from JRL. Okay, let's keep this aside now. Okay. This is the JRL. I guess clicking lever. Yeah. Clicking lever. And the range. It's not bad. Okay, got a little hanger here. Looks nice. Okay, so let's turn it on, right? This is the first speed. Second speed. Okay. You all know how I do my thing. I would really like to know the RPM of this JRL, So it's really at 6,000. And second speed. Okay. 6,700. It's not bad. I like to know how the blade looks like inside, It's exactly like a hot taker. Hot taker got the same hollow, and Pop Barbers. From these two clippers I saw already such things, Pop Barbers, P800, and Hot Taker. I can't remember where I saw this type of cam follower. Exactly the same, Either from Pop Barbers or from Hot Taker. And this is ceramic blade. Okay. So I hope it's okay like this. Okay. First speed. Can't stop it. Second speed. Oof. Still can't stop it. It's good. The person that really sponsored this video is Osgur. If you want to buy JRL, he got it. So let me show you what he got, you know. Yo, Osgur always resting on his bed, browsing AliExpress for clippers and trimmers. And since the day he discovered that there is a free return from his country back, his order has increased, you know. So I guess I'm gonna head to Fit Barber's Grat. See you soon, man.
Okona mafena riere. Okona, 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 okona.